A 3 by 3 matrix with trace A is equal to 3, determinant A is equal to 0. One of the eigenvalue is 1, the another two eigenvalues are, right. So here it is given trace A is equal to 3, that means sum of eigenvalues equal to trace. So for a 3 by 3 matrix we have 3 eigenvalue, sum of eigenvalue should be equal to trace, we know. Product of eigenvalue, that should be 0, right. Now one of the eigenvalue is 1, so first eigenvalue lambda 1 say 1, then 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 3. Here also we can put, that means lambda 2 plus lambda 3 is equal to 2, and here if we put 1 first eigenvalue, lambda 2 lambda 3 again 0, then sum to product 0, that means 2 and 0 only. So option A is correct, right. Option A is correct only, right.